Around this morning, particularly across northern England. Cumbria saw some really heavy rain, but that's starting to fizzle out now. It'll tend to become lighter and more patchy through the rest of the afternoon. There was some bright weather through this central slice of the United Kingdom, but down towards the south, thicker cloud is now bringing some rain. We're expecting that wet weather to push its way towards the northeast in the next 36 hours, heading across southern areas through today, then pushing across the rest of England, Wales and Northern Ireland through tonight, before heading across much of Scotland through the day tomorrow. Now, some of this rain could well be heavy. It's falling onto already very wet ground, so we could well have a problem with some localised flooding. Some of the rivers in northern England are on flood watch at the moment. There's also been some wet weather around across Majorca. Palma saw nearly a month's worth of rain in just 18 hours, but the cloud that brought that wet weather is now heading towards southern Italy, and it looks like it's going to be dry and fine for the Mediterranean on Tuesday, although there will be one or two showers across Iberia and indeed through France. Some showers too for Greece and for Turkey, but further north across Scandinavia and northeast Europe, it looks like it's going to be dry and sunny. There'll be some sunshine around across northern England this afternoon. Any showers here becoming fewer and further between, and indeed across southern Scotland too. Across much of Scotland it'll be quite cloudy, and further south we're going to see that cloud bringing outbreaks of rain across southern England and South Wales. And if you are out and about on the roads later on this afternoon, particularly through this evening's rush hour, driving conditions here could be quite difficult. But it's not going to be a cold afternoon. Temperatures as high as around 19 or 20 degrees across England and Wales, just around 14 to 16 across Scotland. So it looks like it'll be quite a damp night across Scotland and a wet night across England, Wales and Northern Ireland. That rain accompanied by a brisk southerly wind, and it's not going to be a cold night. Temperatures no lower than double figures. And for many central and southern areas, it's going to be rather a wet start to the day. That rain pushing its way slowly northwards as the day progresses, probably not getting to the far northeast of Scotland though. And then things will brighten up, but we're going to see quite a few showers coming along, and some of those showers will be heavy and thundery with a top temperature of 18 to 20 degrees. And looking ahead to the second half of the week, well, it looks like it's going to turn very unsettled and windy indeed. Some deep areas of low pressure moving in. We're likely to see gale force winds in some exposed locations on Wednesday as some heavy rain pushes in from the west. That'll reach eastern areas late in the day, clearing away during the morning on Thursday to leave behind a mixture of sunny spells and scattered showers. That's it from me. Have a good afternoon.